Okay, welcome back. In the last video, we have discussed about queue implementing using function, okay, pointers. What we called it as nothing but in the function pass by reference, right? So we have in three functions, enqueue, dequeue, and display. We have passed the array and also we have passed the address of rear front. Okay, yes. So this is how we have implemented in the last class. Now, what we have done is that we are representing the queue, okay, in an array, okay, and front and rear variable are two different variable. So what we do now here is that we'll try to implement this queue using a structure. So what we're going to do is that now I will declare a structure. Okay, let me name the structure as IQE. Okay, yes, and let me open bracket, close bracket. Okay, here inside I will declare this. Okay, so int I rare. Okay, yes, so int I rare I front I have declared. Okay, and then so I have declared a structure iq iqs. Okay, I give the number. Let me say um why I should give iq. Let's say stque. Okay, so the name will must be easier. Okay, and then struct stque. Okay, and giving stq. Okay, yes, done. Yes, so I have declared a structure. Yes, here in array. Okay, and then I have the two variables. Okay, member variables. One is ifront, another is irear. So front for what do you say, deletion of element from the queue, and rear the inserting an element from the queue. Okay, so now simply I will do one thing. Okay, let me do it a function call only. Here I will be only passing the structure. I will not going to pass. Okay, yes. So simple function call. Okay, let me do within function call, simple function call itself. Okay, so now, okay, simple function call, simple function call. Okay, and simple function call itself I will do it. Yes, fine. Yes, okay. So let me first initialize my, okay, stq dot ifont equal to -1. Okay, and stq dot irear equal to -1. Okay, so I've done that. So now similarly I'm calling this function. Okay, so and the number. Okay, number I have scanned. I have asked the user to give the number. Okay, now it is nothing is there. This is nothing is there. Okay, so now I have to do what, increment, right? So what I will do, okay, yes. So now this is a structure. So uh, I equal to stq dot I rear, okay, plus 1. Okay, and here this is my array. So stq dot, okay, iq, yes. Then what will be the value, stq dot I rear equal to now. Yes, how I access the elements member function in the structure, the structure name dot, okay, the member variable. So member variable is irear because we are inserting the element into the stack, so we are just going with the irear value, right? Yes, so stq irear equal to stq irear plus 1. Then stq, that is a structure. Okay, we are going into that array. Okay, and then stq dot irear equal to num. Yes, so we have inserted the element into the array. Okay, now for deletion here. Okay, so I will copy the same here. Okay, and front will be incremented, right? So this will be nothing but I front. Okay, equal to I front plus 1. Yes, and num equal to, okay, just been remove this. Okay, num is equal to stq dot iq. Okay, equal to stq I front. Okay, so the number that is been deleted is now. Okay, yes. Now for display. Yes, for display, simple. Okay, this will be nothing but stq I front. Okay, stq I front plus 1, and then stq. Okay, stq I rel. Yes, and I plus plus, and my array is nothing but this is my array. Okay, and this is stq.iq. Okay, so understand here we have declared a structure. Yes, structure has the member variable, the array itself, then the front and the rear, which I have mentioned is irent and I front and I rear. Okay, then I create a structure, object. Okay, yes, then after that this stq. Okay, if I want to access this front and rear, how I have to do with dot operator, right? So stq dot ifront we initialize to -1, stq dot iread equal to -1. Okay, normal function call I have done. Then I have asked the user to enter the number. Okay, after checking whether the array is full or not. Okay, right, that also I will change, don't worry. And then scanf, okay, give the number, then stq iread equal to stq iread plus 1, because through the structure, variable itself, that is the structure object or register variable stq. Okay, through that I am accessing the member function ireal and incrementing it. Okay, then stq the iq the array itself, and then stq ireal what value will have, and the num is stored. Similarly, we have done the same thing for dq. Okay, stq I front equal to stq I front plus 1. We are incrementing the front value. Okay, and then whatever value is then we are taking it as the num, and we are saying that it is deleted. And similarly, it start from stq front plus 1. Okay, and till the there we go, and we are trying to display it. Okay, that is what we have done. Yes, so now here this will be also stq dot, okay, ireal equal to file, then printf is this, then stq dot ifront. Okay, so stq ifront equal to, and then stq dot iread. Okay, yes, similarly we have here the same thing. I will copy paste. Yes, done. Okay, so let me save it and let me see. Yes, it is executing. So let me check 2, queue is empty. 3, it is displayed. Okay, 1, enter the element. Let me enter 12. Okay, let me enter 23. Now let me display if it's working. Yes, it is working. 12 and 23 it is giving me. Okay, let me insert another element. So it is 34. Okay, so let me display. Yes, it is giving 12, 23, 34. Let me see whether DQ is working or not. Let me say 2. So 12 should be deleted. The deleted element is 12. So let me display. Now I should have 23 and 34. Okay, let me display. Yes, I got 23 and 34. Okay, let me pop out. Okay, 23 is gone. Let me display. Only for 34 will be there. Only 34 is there. Yes, after the element 23 is deleted. Okay, so make me again popped. Okay, so my deleted element is 34. Let me now display. The queue is empty, correct? So if I want to go, queue is empty. Yes, so everything is working fine. Okay, so let me tell you once again. I declare a structure. Okay, in the structure I have three member variable. One is the array, okay, which I declare as iq. Then I have the front end array, which are I front and I array. Okay. Then I declare a structured variable stq. Okay. So initially stq ifront I put -1, stq iread equal to -1, and I have implemented with the simple function call, right? So first stq iread if is equal to 5, we know that stack is full, right? Okay, stq, because now I'm using a structure. Okay, so a structure variable, true structure when I'm doing it. So stq iread equal to 5. How to access the member function? Dot operator. So I'm accessing, checking whether read is equal to 5 or not. Okay, whether I front and iread is equal or not. So I'm simply see, you can see the color that it is coming, the highlighted, the stq, true structure variable, we are doing it, right? And the thing is same, I front equal to iread, I front equal to iread. Here also see, read equal to read plus 1 we do, but stq dot read, stq dot read plus 1. Okay, so I write iq equal to iread, okay, equal to num, that we have simply done using the array. Now since it is under the structure variable, so stq dot iqu equal to stq dot iread, so that will give the value, and num is, okay, whatever element it is been stored. So dq also you can see, for incrementing the front, stq I front, stq I front plus 1, then stq iq is equal to nothing but, okay, stq I front, from where I'm deleting it. Okay, and similarly I'm starting from front. Okay, front plus 1, stq front plus 1, until stq iread, and I'm displaying the element. Okay, so this is how we can implement what is a queue using a structure. And also I have mentioned sim doing, using a function also. Okay, so how, I hope this is clear. It's quite easy. Just you need to understand the structure concept, and if your structure concept is clear, queue concept is very clear, I think, and the function is also clear, then I think it can easily understand this problem. Okay. uh, okay, then thank you so much.